Good morning, dear traders. Winston could see aka Mr. Mayor Forex Trading. All right, so of course today I'm just going to have a quick discussion here. This is of course my disclaimer, because what I do when I do these videos is I tell you guys about what I'm looking at and how I trade. I'm not telling you exactly how you should trade or taking any responsibility for your trades not working out, not blowing your account and so forth. Is not my problem. It's not my fault. I cannot dictate how you do risk management. So what I do in my videos is just to show you guys what I do, how I do my things, and if you find value in it, perfect. All right, so let's jump into the charts quickly. Today I just want to show you guys, it's August the 1st, 2023, Tuesday. The time now is just past 8 o'clock in the morning, South African time. Alright, so I'm quickly on the US JPY on the daily chart here. I just want to show you guys quickly something that I look for when I'm looking to trade. I like trading fake outs. I like looking for fake outs. It is, fake outs to me is the most valuable thing for me to know that, all right, a trade is going in the opposite direction. I love fake outs because that is what banks and institutions use to gather liquidity to push price in that direction that they want price to go in. Now, I just want to show you quickly an example. This is on the daily chart, US JPY. You can see that there's a beautiful trend line going up here. Touch there, touch there, touch there, touch there. This is a beautiful trend line. It jumped up, it formed there, so you can draw your trend line from there to there. And now you see price come here and it touches this trend line and it bounces off. So you automatically think, lekker. And it is on a support over here. So you would put your buy in there once price gets there with your stop loss just below this support here, and look what happens. Zip, it even broke the trend line. So there's a fake out. That's a good example of a fake out. This is a good example of a fake out. Two beautiful fake outs, and look what price did. Just jumped right through to the opposite side. It jumped to the upside. So I like to look for fake outs. I love fake outs. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick example of a fake out. So what I'm looking for on the US JPY is I do see that it is on its way. It's busy with an uptrend, so I don't necessarily want to sell at this point of time. I don't want to look for a sell, but I do know that here is a beautiful resistance over here. This is a solid resistance. If you have to look at it from where it comes from there, it's beautiful. It was there, it was resistance, there it was support. So I know that this is a strong resistance over here. Remember, I'm still on the daily chart, so I'm looking for my daily support and resistance. This is a daily chart. This is how I start mapping out my things. I go into the weekly sometimes and the daily sometimes. I go out to the bigger time frames to get an overall view of where strong turning points would be. So I do know that this is also a little bit of a support over here. It was resistance over there, was resistance over there. So this looks to me could be another fake out opportunity where this resistance is being tested. So now a lot of people, I'm going to zoom in quickly here and just show you guys a quick example of what's going on. I'm going now down to the lower time frames. Let me go down to the 4 hour. On the daily, let's go down to the 4 hour. I just want to show you guys something here quickly. All right, so it's been support, it's been resistance, over here. So now you do see this, it acting as a support. So what I'm thinking is going to happen here. Let me just get it in the right space, right frame of mind there. That's it, between those two lines. Fantastic. What I'm thinking is, it served as a great resistance coming off of this one over here. It served as a great resistance. Now it pushed through. So what I'm thinking is, once I see price break back down against this level, it has to break back down. Then I'm definitely gonna wait for it to retest and then look for a selling opportunity. This could be a fake out. I'm just gonna keep my eye on it and see what it does. if you have to look at that support. But this is a nice resistance over here, and this should be a beautiful support. I'm just going to put the ticker over there. So what I'm looking for is maybe for a little bit of a ranging market in this area between the 145 and of course the 138. I'm looking for this area to do some trading. Now this level over here, it does look like it will be some resistance. It should be some resistance, but now you see there's a little bit of a breakthrough over here. I'm gonna see if price breaks back down again, then I'm gonna look for a selling opportunity. Otherwise, I'm gonna wait for price to get to this level over here. Let me just get my thin one over here quickly. I just want to grab this one up there. See, there is another level that I am looking at that is quite an interesting level for me, that I might look for price to get to there and start selling off, or to get to that level and start selling off. But if it doesn't, if it does break from here, break below this, then I know that this is a fake out, and then I will definitely sell this opportunity. All right, I just want to show you guys a trade that I'm in at the moment. Is the Euro USD. I am in a selling position. I was a bit late on this one. I saw price break back below because this is a little fake out over here. I'm on the 2-hour time frame. This is a fake out. This whole top piece here is a fake out, and it broke back below this support over here. Lots of people thought, it's going to break to the upside. I was waiting to see it. It broke back below, retested that support as a resistance. I should have jumped in there, but I was a bit too late. I was still busy yesterday. I was working yesterday, so I didn't have the opportunity. But once I got back home, I saw, alright, it did retest, and I waited and I saw, okay, it retested for a second time. And as I saw this nice long wick over here, right as this candle closed and this one opened, I did put my sell order in there. So I sold there. My stop loss is above all this, far above all this. And I do have a take profit over there where the next support is, right down in this area over there. So this is a trade that I was looking at. It did look like I want to make a little bit of a fake out on this resistance over on this trend line over here. So I'm going to keep an eye on it, but I do see that there is a lot of selling pressure. And I do know that this whole area, this thing over here, this is all a fake out. This one here was a fake out. It was a break above the trend line, the weekly trend line. There's a nice weekly trend line going there, that red line. I don't know if you guys can see that red line. So this was a big fake out, and then it broke below, retested that zone, and look at that sell off that happened over there. That is a massive sell off. I missed it because unfortunately I was working. I was a bit busy, but I am catching this train down to the downside, back to there. All right, so guys, just from my side, with the next couple of videos, I'm going to be talking a lot about fake outs and how to trade fake outs and what to look out when you see a fake out. I love trading fake outs. I love it because it is such a good confluence for me to know that, all right, price is going in the opposite direction. You see there's a nice, this is your weekly trend line going there. It's been respected the whole time, and then we got the break above it, and then back again the break below it. Once you see that, once I see that break below the trend line, and then I know that this is a fake out, then I usually wait for price to get back up to that zone where the break occurred. So like there where that one, you see there, it retested that, and then a massive sell off happened, because that's where everyone's stop losses, all the normal traders stop losses were there. They thought, all right, there's a break above, price is going to retest this area and then shoot further to the upside. So they buy there, and their stop orders are in this zone. That's why it takes it out and just builds liquidity. I love fake outs. With the next couple of videos, I'm going to talk about fake outs and show you guys how I trade fake outs also. For my side, Winston Good see you. Have a great one. Please like this video, share these videos, join the Facebook page. It's called Forex Hangout, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Have a good one. Cheers.